Alright, let's talk about Cardano, guys. Cardano has been slowing down and it seems like it's a great opportunity to get in. I'm going to break this down with my analysis, guys. So let's start. So right now, Cardano is sitting at about 50 cents and it's been bouncing off this support zone from about, let's say, 45 cents all the way up to around here, 48 cents, and keep bouncing. Now you can see that multiple entries have been taking place. Here and here and this right here. Basically two bombs right here. Now this is actually some really good signs of that. And one, it slowed down, and two, that it seemed like there's a lot more people buying into this to head the trend back higher. So if we go to the higher time frame to get a bigger perspective, we can see that yeah, it has been downtrending pretty hard. Especially when it comes to that $3 mark and it heads down. But this seems like this is a good time for it to just break away and build another trend back up higher to these higher highs, to like the $1.20, even to the $1.60, and then back higher. If you can reverse from this point, because if it doesn't, I don't see it building a flat, stagnant level and then doing that to build up higher. I think that it's either going to turn on a dime right here, or it's going to head back down lower. And if it heads down lower, it's a lot of pain. You're talking about like 4 cents, 3 cents, 10. Oh man, that's going to be painful for people who are going long term with this. But usually I'm coming from a trading perspective. But if you're looking at dollar cost averaging, basically every time it dips in, it makes like a big like a pool of buyers. Dollar cost averagers would just buy in from there and just keep buying the dips. For me, I wouldn't buy Cardano when it comes to dollar cost averaging, because you're looking at such a big perspective. I like trading it a whole lot easier for me. So when it comes to this right here, guys, for an easy trade that I will look at getting is doing a buy stop from here at this 50 cents level if it engages, and go from the 50 cent level up to about 64 at this recent top. And if we can duplicate that, well, all I'm going to do is move my stop loss above my entry, lock in the trade, and then letting it hit my target profit, and then letting that trade run. If it comes back down, takes me out, like goes from this top and hits it back down, takes me out of my trade, then that's fine. But that's what I'm going for, guys. My target, my price prediction is basically about 65 cents at this current high. And if we can maintain that, then yeah, I'll take that trend. But if it doesn't, I'll just get stopped out, take some profit off of that, off the table. But that's just a short-term thing, guys. Comes to, if you guys are seeing things long-term, from like a, your dollar cost averaging in, you're just going to cash. You don't have to worry about trading, trading requirements, getting stopped out. Buying in right now and then taking off profits somewhere at this bottom right here. Let's see the next bottom. So next bottom that was pretty significant was this 80 cents level. Like if it was me and I'm doing like I'm hodling or cash positions, I would just buy in right now, and if it hits some of this zone right here, basically like 76 up to 82 around there, take off some profits, let the rest run, and just lock in your trade. So if it moves back down, stops you out, then you don't have to worry about taking that L, taking a profit in it. But let's get into some other details when it comes to Cardano, guys. Now, what I do like about this cryptocurrency is ranked number 7, but it's on 2.17 million people's watch list. 48 cents, like I talked about. It's up 2.54% because of that consolidation right there, which is really nice. Hopefully reverses on that. But it has a $16.4 billion market cap. Now, this is on every single platform pretty much. So if you want to trade, hodl, get all that stuff into it, you can. It's on a whole bunch of different platforms. And it has a price, recording or price highlights, whatever, by Symmetry as of July 23rd, 2021. So if you guys looking at that, just check it out. That will be by Stable Outlook, and in the top 97% of cryptocurrencies that they looked at. That's pretty amazing right there in and of itself. When it comes to the website, Cardano.org, check out the website, guys, and the news. Always check the Twitter page for new updates. Like, that's super important. Like, a cryptocurrency will explode up higher, and you'd be like, wow, what happened? And you're like, okay, I didn't check the Twitter page. So check the Twitter. That's like the main source of news for cryptocurrency pages. Also the website. But You guys follow me on Twitter, Andre McClendon, or hit me up on TikTok. Or legit to my website, AndreMcClendon.com. If you're looking for trading stuff, I have a lot of free indicators. I'm building the economy and stats. So if you're looking for stuff like trading indicators or trading stuff like that, or economy stuff for your long-term stuff, just check out this website. It has a bunch of stuff that I'm building up already, and I'm getting some indicators. So if you want to have some indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5 or an EA, just let me know. But other than that, guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me how I did in this video, how you like the music in the thumbnail, and I'll see you guys in the next video.